All right, if you're having issues with the noise coming from your La-Z-Boy Recliner, the mechanisms on them are made to make you as comfortable as possible. We're gonna tell you why they make the noises that they do and a couple of easy ways to dampen the sounds. Come with me, we'll show you real quick. So the noise that you hear in your unit is the pawl and rack system that keeps the base of the chair rocked back in the locked position so that you can stay there, sleep, and whatnot. This is your pawl, and this is your rack on the inside here. And what this does is when you recline the unit, the footrest comes out, this locks into the rack so that your base can sit back at an angle while you're sitting in it and the footrest is up. So what you'll do is you'll flip it out. You'll see the pawl catches the rack there. Footrest is all the way extended, and then when you go to recline back in your unit, that's the noise that you hear. One of the easiest ways to dampen the sound is either to throw a rug under it or open and close the unit slowly. Now, the worst part about it is the big clunk that you get when you close the mechanism. And then flip down. So to help control the sound, you can open it and close it at a slower pace. That'll also help with the amount of noise that comes out of the unit. Rock back into position. Now, when you go to let your footrest back in, do it at a slower motion. You have half the noise as what you would while sitting in it and flipping it down at a faster speed. Now that you understand why the mechanism does what it does and why you hear the noises that you do, one of the easiest ways to dampen the sound is to either open it and close it slowly or just throw a small rug underneath of it. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe.